Hi Pooja, I'm so excited to be part of your segment Turning Point Stories with Mirchi.
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूं पूजा आपके साथ एंड वेलकम टू येट अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ टर्निंग पॉइंट स्टोरीज विद मिर्ची। लाइफ में अगर आगे बढ़ना है तो एक चीज तो आपको करनी पड़ेगी एंड दैट इज एक्सेप्टिंग योरसेल्फ द वे यू आर। और एक बार आप अपने आप को एक्सेप्ट कर ले दो ना, उसके बाद में दुनिया आपको कैसे जज करती है उसका फर्क आपको नहीं पड़ता एंड देन ऑल यू सी इज द पाथ ऑफ सक्सेस। एक्चुअली ये बातें बोलने में जितनी अच्छी लग रही है, मैं आपको आज ऐसे इंसान की कहानी सुनाने वाली हूँ जिसने ये पॉइंट प्रूव किया है अपनी लाइफ में। सो आज हमारे साथ में एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट जुड़े हैं जो अपनी लाइफ की टर्निंग पॉइंट स्टोरी हमारे साथ शेयर करने वाले हैं एंड इट्स नन अदर देन सुशांत दिव्यकर।
Hi Pooja, I'm so excited to be part of your segment Turning Point Stories with Mirchi. The turning point in my life was when I got the title of Mr. Gay India World and I got to represent India at the Mr. Gay World pageant in 2014 in Rome, Italy. It was a great feeling to represent my country and create history by winning 4 subtitles. It was the first time in the history of the pageant, of the international pageant, that any contestant had won 4 subtitles. So that was a turning point for me, and then there was no looking back. I realized that I had to stand up for my rights, stand up for my identity, and because nobody else would do that. I think it's every individual's duty to stand up for him or herself. And also give a voice to people that sometimes find it difficult and are not as privileged as some other people like myself, that because I have a very supportive family. So yeah, that was the turning point in my life, getting to represent my country. One message I would like to give all the listeners and everybody that is various social media. I would just like to tell everybody that don't give up on yourself. Always believe in what you feel you want to do and you can do, because whether or not anybody else believes in you, I think it's very essential that you first believe in yourself. That's how you're going to reach your fullest potential. That's what I did, and I would not like to tell people that you should do it in a certain way, but just make sure that you know what you're doing and you create your own path and your journey. Don't let anybody tell you that you're not worth it. Don't let anybody tell you that you're not good enough. Prove to them that you're good enough with your work and with your hard work. That's all I have to say, and just have fun. Don't take life so seriously. Also, I think it's good to be a little serious, but don't stress yourself out, because then there's a lot of people that have to undergo serious anxiety issues, and it comes with a lot of baggage. So just chill and just do your best and leave the rest. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much सुशांत। I think this was a much needed talk at this point in time. हम सभी वो बन जाते हैं अपनी लाइफ में जो लोग चाहते हैं हम बने, and we mostly forget कि यार हम जो है वो बहुत ही अमेजिंग है और बहुत ही यूनिक है। So identify yourself. I think this is the best time to identify yourself and to fall in love with yourself. I think rise in the love of yourself is what I will say. तो इतने सारे ज्ञान के बाद में I just want to tell you that please let me know कि ये सीरीज आपको कैसी लग रही है, and do share these videos with all your friends and families. मैं हूँ पूजा आपके साथ. We'll be back with yet another episode of Turning Point Stories soon.